Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In our first video, we just introduced our channel. From now on, we would start with actual learning. First, let's see what is the content of this video. We would be learning what is a process, what is automation, what is instrumentation, and then what are control systems. A very generic question to all of you. Do you know what is a process? No. If not, then let's see what is a process in our next slides. What can you see in this picture? There is a flask with some chemicals in it and it is lit with a burner. Can we call this as a process? Yes, obviously. Here there is some input and output would be produced after some action on this input. So, this is a process. Process can be thus defined as a series of interrelated tasks together to transform input to some output. For example, cooking is a process, cleaning a room is also a process, production of some goods in factory, or production of oils, etc. are called as processes. Now, this process can be carried out manually or by using some machines. If we take a simple example of cleaning a room, we humans can do it manually using broom, duster, mop, etc. But the same process can be done using robotic vacuum cleaners. So, when machines and instruments get involved in a process to carry out it on their own with some simple set of instructions, it is said to be automation. Automation is the technique to make an apparatus, a process, or a system to operate automatically. Automation is creating and applying that technology to monitor and control the production and delivery of products and services. Automation encompasses many vital elements, systems, and job functions. It provides benefits to virtually all of the industries, such as manufacturing industry like food, pharmacy, chemicals, petroleum, paper, etc. It provides benefits to defense, utilities, transportation facilities, operations including security, environmental control, energy management, and many more. Automation crosses all functions within industry from installation, integration, maintenance, design, procurement, and management. Automation involves a very broad range of technologies, including robotics and expert systems, telemetry and communications, electro optics, cyber security, process management, process measurement and control, wireless applications, system integration, test measurement, and many more. When automation is so important, the automation professionals are also very important. The automation profession includes everyone involved in the creation and application of technology to monitor and control the production and delivery of products and services. Any individual involved in this process is called as automation professional. The work of automation professionals is critically important towards preservation of health, safety, and welfare of the public and to sustainability and enhancement of our quality of life. I hope till now you must be aware of automation and its importance. Now let's see some of its pros. Automation provides more efficient production. higher labor productivity, and higher profits. It also provides cheap goods. It avoids boring repetitive jobs. It can improve safety and remove the risk of human error. Now, you all must be wondering, what is instrumentation then? Instrumentation is derived from two words, that is instrument and automation. We saw what automation is. Now let's turn to instrument. An instrument is a device that measures or manipulates physical variables of process such as temperature, pressure, level, flow, etc. So, moving further, a collection of instruments and their application for the purpose of observation, measurement, and control is called instrumentation. And the branch of engineering dealing with all this is called instrumentation engineering. The purpose of an instrumentation engineer is to conceptualize, design, detail, maintain, and troubleshoot control systems. We came across another new word now, that is control systems. A control system is defined as a system of devices that manages, commands, directs, or regulates the behavior of other devices or other systems to achieve a desired result. In simple words, we can say that control system is a system which controls other systems. The control of processes is one of the main branches of applied instrumentation. This is why this branch of engineering is called as instrumentation and control engineering. Control instrumentation includes devices that are able to change a field parameter and provide remote or automated control capabilities. To control the parameters in a process, devices such as microprocessors, microcontrollers, or PLCs, etc., are used, and to drive them, solenoid valves, circuit breakers, relays, etc., are used. But the ultimate aim is to control the parameters of a system. In our next video, we would like to explore more on control systems. But please do let us know in the comment section or through the Google form link below if you want to learn more on control systems or not. Please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.